campaign name, any name for your reference. Okay, so display campaign also any name for your reference. What is the input here for your display? You are all following me, right, guys? Everybody?
Yes.
Yeah. For display campaign, the input can be keywords called as keyword targeting, placement targeting, a combination of keyword and placement. So do you all know what is placement targeting? Do you all remember? Placement targeting is you are allowed to pick the website or a video or a channel where you want to show the ads or app. You can pick the apps or YouTube channels or YouTube videos or websites of your choice and you can show the ads on those platforms. Okay, ad representation, both the image and the text tags. Images have to be uploaded in various sizes which have to fit in multiple ad slots and screens, and hence you have to upload various sizes of images. Okay, outcome ad. Can you tell me what is the outcome ad displayed on various Google search partners, displayed on various display network websites, displayed on YouTube. So first point only YouTube also is covered, but still I am writing YouTube, various display network websites, Gmail, etc. Okay, here input can be audience segment as well. I'll tell you what is this audience groups as well. This can be any group that you form, such as the audience, such as grouping of all the audiences who have visited your website from various sources, such as organic Google organic, such as social media, Google organic, or any other channel. See that's how you are able to see the ads immediately after visiting some websites. Have you ever noticed it? So you will visit a flight booking website and again you will see the same ads wherever you go. You visit
Yes, sir.
some website, XYZ website, and you start seeing the ads of the same wherever you go. Correct?
Yeah.
Correct. So here I am going to both image and text tags. So I'll also put the guidelines, the document guidelines here for your reference. So I have to scroll through this. Okay, I'll just type this Google and image dimensions. See, there are guidelines. Your images cannot be beyond 150 KB also. Okay, you see the image add dimensions. App add dimensions. Video ads. Okay, so I'll just update. Sorry, let me update this here for your reference. So for your easy reference, I am doing this. So it should be useful for all of you. So now these two ad types, we have launched it already. Okay. So what we have updated here now, we have launched those two types. Okay. So we are going to launch a different one today. Okay, you can always move them and you can see them. Okay, let's go with the next ad type today. Okay, display campaign. So display campaign, campaign type display campaign, remarketing campaign. Okay, and yeah, these are the two main things for now. Okay, so today we are going to launch Google Shopping campaign. Google Shopping campaign. Okay, so campaign name, any name of your choice. Are you all following it? Any name of your choice. So here, what is this called as input? Input here it's going to be keyword, sorry, product field. No keywords, no placement, no keyword targeting, nothing. Just product list. Okay. So we are going to discuss how do we get that product list. Okay. So nothing is needed. Nothing is needed. How amazing it is, right? You don't have to write any ad copies. You don't have to design any creatives, right? Nothing is needed. Just the products you input or feed on merchant center will be displayed on Google results or on display network if opted. Okay, and what is the outcome? Ad can be the product ad can be displayed on Google search, Google search partners, Google display network. Google search partners includes YouTube, Gmail, uh, Google Play, Google Play Store, etc. If there are any pertaining to Google. Yeah. So representation. How is the outcome going to be? Yeah. Something like this. And launching these kinds of ads is quite simple, quite easy. And e-commerce businesses spend, and the good thing is the cost per click will be very less, just 1 rupee or maximum 1.5 or 2 rupees. That's all. If somebody clicks on your ad, you are going to spend just it's going to cost you just 1.5 rupee maximum. Okay, did you all get an idea? So today let's launch these kinds of campaigns. Okay. Yeah, so what is needed now? Just product feed is needed to launch this. Okay, let's quickly go to our ad account. Where is ad account? Here is the ad account. Credit money you will credit to your own bank account, right? You will take my account and credit to it. No, there are multiple accounts. We have multiple clients, multiple accounts. Okay, so if you want to run ads for your business or if you want to practice, you open up your account. So launching these kinds of campaigns is quite easy. We'll see how to do that. So look at this. It's costing us just 1.6 rupee, 41 clicks and 1.6 rupee. Yeah, cost us 65.17 for the same. Okay. So it shows you for what kind of keywords the ads are showing on Google. You could see that. So there's only one campaign active. So this is our overview. This is how it looks when you log in. So it shows this is yesterday's data, 4th April, right? Yesterday, how many clicks, how many sales, how much is the spend, and what is the average CPC costing you. Performance on the mobile phones, tablet. We will read this all later. Top searches and words within searches where people saw your ads. You see here the terms chicken pickle, chicken chutney, chicken pickle, 1 kg price. These are the kinds of searches for which ads were shown. Okay. So we have another campaign called Ugadi Pachadi, and for that also Ugadi Pachadi online order ad is showing. Ugadi Pachadi online order. Not this one. Shopping ads have displayed. Maybe today the amount is got balance got exhausted, and that's why it's not showing up. These two are also from Canada Foods. which time of the day you have got more clicks, balance still this much is left in the account. You have no upcoming payments, add a payment method to keep your ads running. So 4 clicks from this campaign, the spend is 3 rupees, CTR 26.67 percentage. We get to see a lot of details. Let's start with the campaigns now. Later anyways we are going to read all of this data thoroughly. Yeah, so just click on the campaigns. Right now these are the only two active. Just click on campaigns, chicken pickle south. Okay. So to launch a campaign, what you have to do is you have to click on plus mark. Sorry, this is, yeah. Click on this plus mark plus new campaign. Yeah, I want again website traffic. Continue. So I want to launch shopping campaign. Then just continue. Select account. I have to select account. This is my merchant center account. You could see here merchant center. I'll be showing you what is this merchant center account and how do we set up the merchant center account as well. Okay. So here for shopping campaign we have to select that merchant center account. Standard shopping campaign. So performance max campaign get the best of Google automation to reach customers across all channels. So performance max campaign basically start showing your ads on the display network as well, on the Google search partner sites as well, right? So that's what Google want. There is no point for me. It becomes a pull campaign. Me showing it on the display network becomes a pull campaign for me, regardless of people's necessity. We are just trying to show them everywhere. We are making an attempt to educate people and expect a sale to happen, which might happen or might not happen. I don't want me to be spending like that. I'll just go with the standard search campaign. Pick your product, bid strategy, budget, and targeting. So this is allowing me to pick the targeting. Okay, that is important for me. Just click on continue. Yeah, enter the campaign name. So I have so many products. We have so many products, right? So we can go with one of them. Maybe we'll launch prawns pickle complete south. Complete south. Maximize clicks. Focus on maximum clicks, right? So maximum clicks. Set a maximum cost per click bid limit and set it to be as 2. Budget per day is 500 rupees. Okay. So campaign priority, if there are any other campaigns already in this account which are also speaking about prawns pickle, so here we can assign campaign priority as high to this campaign. Okay, so that it gives less importance to that campaign. Recommended if you only have one shopping campaign. Okay, so anyways we have only one shopping campaign. We have paused. There is another shopping campaign. We have paused it. So let's just go with this. So again here it's showing search network and include search partners. No, I don't want to include search partners. Most advertisers include their ads on Google search partners. Like I don't want to do it still. I'm crystal clear that I want to show ads only on Google search and not on such partners like YouTube and many other places. If at all, if I want to show ads on YouTube, I would probably run a different campaign and don't mess up this performance and that performance, right? Let it be clear. Okay, so enter another location. I'm not targeting complete India. Let me enter locations. Maybe my locations will be Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai. For now, just let me go with this and add group name all prawns products. Okay, create campaign. All products. Click on all products. So there are 1500 plus products. Okay, so what we will do is there is something called as here you see the plus button. So basically it's counting on all the 1500 products and ads will show for all keywords related to those 1500 products. I don't want that to be happening. So click on plus and here select by item ID. Okay. See now that prawns pickle campaign will show ads to all of these products. I don't want that to be happening. Okay. It shows to all of these products. So what I do, I want to pick only those products related to prawns. So what I do, finding like this, scrolling through 1500 products or 1600 products or 10,000 products, it's quite difficult for me to understand that way. So I'll find the IDs which all are related to prawns. Let me do that from this data. So just go here, okay, Google Merchant Center feed. I'll tell you. Okay, I'll show it to you all how it works. Shopping or some other shopping, here it is Google Shopping. Okay, so your brand also will be shown here. So you get lot of orders from this as well as from shopping section of the Google, and as google.com is the platform. Okay, so to this platform you are inputting all details. You will see it here. Based on those details, it's going to display it like this. Okay, yeah. So now our main goal is we have to add all these IDs, prawns related IDs here. You see these numbers. So basically these products, whichever we want to pick, let's search by the name. And this is text contains here. Okay, so this feed doesn't include any product related to prawns at all. So if I want to add, I have to again do it. I have to first add prawns to this sheet. Yeah, who is that? So someone wants to speak.
Sir, your voice is not audible.
Voice is not audible. Is that the problem for everybody, guys? Can you all hear me? Or is that only Hari is not able to hear? Everybody? Why are you all not speaking out? I'm asking you all, can you all hear me properly? Guys, everybody, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. So due to size of the call or something, multiple applications, something went wrong, and the mic automatically turns off.
Okay. No.
Okay. Yeah. So you all see the screen as well, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So up to where you so select, okay. So here I have to get. So look at this. How we are adding the product IDs and the. So for this, what I have to understand is now have to compulsorily get all the details. So let me get them. So okay, what I'll do is I'll filter chicken pickle and replace it with prawns. Text contains text contains chicken pickle. Text contains chicken. There's so many. Yeah, but for some reason it did not. CHICKEN. What is wrong? Yeah. So I'm adding my product headings here. Prawns pickle by prawns pickle online, prawns pickle near me. Okay, I could have probably added this one also, right? These two things I can add as it is. Let me do that here. You all can hear me, right? Everybody?
Yes.
How many ever products I want. I just have to make sure that I'm providing all the information around it. Okay. So in this two, I'll replace the chicken with other name. I am just simplifying it. Okay. What to be replaced here? CHICKEN to be replaced with prawns. 39 replacements made. Close. I'll just copy it all as it is. Okay. So what else is needed now? I need the landing page as well. Landing page. I'll just go to the website and get the landing page. The ship across the globe. To input this URL here, see, we don't have to do this much. There is another simple method. So the complete crawl, automatically it crawls. I'll show it to you in the Merchant Center account. For now, you just remember that something like this has to be done. So new, so price, so price. So 952, 952. Okay. See, it has to be exactly the same. Otherwise, it says mismatch. But anyways, 952.00, 952.00 INR. Okay, it is in stock, hence in stock. This is image file, so you need to have the image. What else? The category is two. Okay, so I just have to get the image now. How do I get the image? This one. Open link in new tab. This is the image file. So copy this and update the same. Okay. So ID, product ID. I have no clue about this product ID. For this, I have to go to the website backend to understand its ID. Okay. So what I'll do is, so have to visit the website backend now. So you see ID here, ID 17509, something like that. So, yeah, 3030, ID 3030. See, automatically all this data goes to merchant center. We are manually doing this. We have from website to merchant center account. You don't have to do anything at all. Only one-time effort of creating a merchant center account and linking your website and merchant center account. That's all done. But then we have picked a manual way of doing it. We create a feed list. We create a feed list for different purposes or reasons, which I'll be explaining while discussing about the merchant center. Okay. So now 3030. Yeah. So, so this is one reason. So we are not supposed to, ideally speaking, we are not supposed to have more than one. So you cannot duplicate the IDs. The ID has to be only once in the sheet. Okay. But then since we are adding multiple keywords, we are redoing it in a different way. Okay. So next thing, yeah, I think we have submitted it all, provided all the details. The only thing that you have to do is now you have to submit this feed. So how do we do is go here, you see the products here, click on the products, feed, click on feed, click on the feed. Look at this, we have data from Google Sheets. So we had feed from crawling as well, we have deleted it. So you can plus here and you can create any kind of feeds. So new primary feed, it's asking you to create a feed. We don't want, I just wanted to show you here. So, okay, let me not show it to you now, it unnecessarily creates. Uh, just there is one feed for now. Yeah, that is data from Google Sheets. Okay, so data from Google Sheets, click on it. This is the data from Google Sheets. So if I click on access Google Sheet, it will be taking me to this Google Sheet. Okay, so I'll not click on access Google Sheet. I'll simply click fetch now because I have added few more products now, prawns pickle. So simply I will click. See, last fetch is April 4, 2024, 3:37:44 p.m. That is yesterday, 3:37. Somebody from the team has clicked on fetch now. They must have added few more products to the sheet and they have clicked fetch now. I have added few products now, so I'm clicking on it fetch now again. So it will be April 5th. Last feed data will be April 5th. Okay, and I'll have to click fetch now again to our campaign. We are launching the campaign here, correct? Bulk add values manually. Okay, enter item ID 3030. 30. So 3030 is still not, data is not completely fetched. I might have to refresh this as well if it is fetching here. Okay, your feed is set up correctly and the product data can be used across multiple merchant interfaces to also. So I might have to reload this screen once again in order to load the products. Okay, so let me click on this once again and see if I will be able to bulk add values manually. 3030, I don't know if it will show it or not. Let me better reload it. So it starts showing up like this. You see here the products already. Uh, just now we are submitting, right? So yeah, it is showing up here. You see. So clicks are zero, unpaid. Load and see. A product like, for example, even if you are selling a ebook, in those cases also you can launch the product shopping campaigns. ID, am I doing anything wrong here? ID is 3030. 5 digits ID. I have put only 4 digits. Three 1982. This is the ID. 31982. So I had put a wrong ID. I'm correcting it now again. Should be 11:34 now. So if we are selecting the products and publishing it, that's all done. So let me select item ID. Three one nine eight two 3 1. No, they are not showing up. But just let's go ahead and do this. You have selected one product. Okay. Okay. So the product which you have selected is showing up. See, all products from 1500, 1600 products, we have selected only one. Okay. And everything else, this can be passed. Exclude. You have to click exclude. So there are around 1500, 1600 or 2000 other products, right? So you should not, it's like adding different keywords. If you're adding all of them, it's like adding different keywords. So for me, I want to add only that is there, that's all. That's all done. Your campaign is ready. Okay. So all campaigns. I'll show it to you. For the campaign for which already products are reflecting here, I'll show it to you how it looks. So now we have launched this one. This one. Look at this. This is same thing. We launched it recently. Yeah. So all chicken pickles. Yeah. You see here we have selected all those products which are about chicken pickle, and we have paused, excluded all other products. See, everything else in all products is been excluded. Here there are some 10, 15 related to chicken pickle are added. Sorry, it is not. Sorry, I did not get you. Did you all get that? How do we add and exclude the products? See, if I have to select all the campaigns in this account, so I want to show you the other campaigns. Earlier we were selecting everything in it. Nothing was excluded or nothing was specifically added. Okay, so let's take this shopping Bangalore, maybe shopping Bangalore. See here, it's just all products. That's all. Nothing excluded, nothing selected. So it's showing not eligible because the campaign is paused. So now we are see now this one account, this one campaign was promoting all the products, was showing ads for all the products that we have on the website. Now we don't want that to be happening. We want separate campaigns for each product, right? So that's when we paused this campaign called like Bangalore Shopping, which was basically having everything in it. We have paused it and we are launching it by product wise. So when we launch it by product wise, we have to pick only those products in the campaign. That's what we are doing now with this. This Ugadi Pachadi also will have only those products picked in it. Did you all get that, guys? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
See, prawns pickle already there is one click, 53 impressions. So how did this 53 impressions would have come is even before we pick the products, it would have shown ads for all the products. I'll show it to you now. It would have shown probably ads for all the products because we just selected the product now only, right? And if you want to see that, you can see it here. For which all keywords, it has shown ads. It definitely not for prawns. It must have shown for everything else. Even before we pick the prawns, see, it has shown ads for fenugreek, 1 kg honey price, banana chips. See, our complete product list includes all of them, right? Now we have added, excluded everything else. If you go back, what it says in the product group, so just in that 1-2 minutes, even before you select the prawns product, it has shown ads for all the products because by default it will be all the products. So by default, it is all the products. Now we have picked only this product and excluded all the products. First, it will be only this one, what you see here in the top. Now see, now this shows excluded several hundreds of products. See, 1710 are excluded. 17111 of 17111 we have picked only one. So 1710 obviously excluded, not eligible. So here it is only one selected. So this does not have any product still. I think it's still populating or migrating, something is happening, but we will be able to see these products once we reload. Okay, so that's when it shows ads only for prawns. See, first thing, even before we launch this campaign, we could have added all the products in the sheet and fetched the data. That's when it would have shown on the ads, but it will show. Once it starts showing over there, we will be picking all these IDs which are speaking about prawns. All these IDs. From here, it's all prawn, right? We are going to pick all these 13 IDs. Anyways, all these are already blocked. Okay? Is that clear, guys? Everybody? Yeah, that's how the Google shopping campaigns are launched. Did you all understand or not? So I'll summarize it. To launch this, all the settings will remain same. Like you pick, the first option is clicks. You have picked clicks. Second option is you have explicitly picked shopping campaign. You want to launch shopping campaign. In third step, you have provided the budget details, maximum clicks, maximum CPC. So you have picked the option. You want to work on the clicks or conversions. We have picked clicks. We have set the maximum CPC. We have set the target region targeting. We picked South India or metropolitan cities, three metropolitan cities: Hyderabad, Bangalore, and Chennai. Correct? And then we created an ad group, and in ad group you need to have product groups. So product groups, we are adding it like this. So product groups, I'll show it to you. Product groups, so that's what product group. To create product group, we added those products which were not there in the merchant center accounts. That's all. So merchant center account did not have the prawns pickle product in it, and we added prawns pickle in the merchant center. Okay. Yeah. So if you take look at this data, how much has been spent on ads. I'll go with the campaigns, we'll get an idea. List. You could see here all total spend, it loads at the bottom. Yeah. Okay. So anybody has any questions? Anybody has questions, guys? If not, we'll wind it up for today. Yeah. So now, from tomorrow, you might start seeing prawns pickle ads also on Google. When you search for prawns pickle online, Chennai, Hyderabad, Mumbai, not Mumbai, yeah, I think we have put that as well. So you would start seeing ads. Just that we have to make sure in the product group, we have to add all those products. That's all. Yeah. So then let's wind it up for today. Okay. And one more thing, everybody. So next week I'll be traveling. Traveling in the sense I'll be actually at my hometown. So we can have online classes. So whomsoever are coming offline have to join online next week. Okay. So I think Tuesday is festival, right? So due to festival, Tuesday I think it's festival, and due to festival,